If you're like me and you suck on energy drinks like 2-3 times a day, you got to stop it. And I knew that that's not sustainable lifestyle. So I'm out there looking for something different, alternative to getting my caffeine fix, but without all the toxins in my body. I don't know if you guys have ever seen this or have come across this, a brand called Perseek, but it's the NAD plus thing right now. Everybody is talking about it. So I'm like, all right, I'm going to try it because an alternative in my mind, for me, it's an alternative to energy drinks without the sugar and jittery crash. I do understand that you have to take it. Results aren't going to be immediate, but you ever get those foggy or those crashes? I get them. I get them and I get them hard. I don't like it. And if you don't like it, then you got to try something different. This is supposed to take those jittery crashes, no more. Clarity, meant to give you mental clarity, and it has a ton of other healthy boosters inside of this. Now, what is this? It's a vial. I've never seen a drink in a vial. What they give you, this awesome little cap right here, and you just stick that cap on, and then you squeeze the top. Now, the cool part about this is really cool, is they give you a little straw. How unique is that? The aesthetics of this are really cool. I mean, they give you a awesome looking case. Now what everybody wants to know, how the heck does it taste? Is it gonna taste nasty and it taste like medicine? I'm gonna tell you guys that in about 2 seconds. All right, the fact that I went for a second sip tells you a lot. I'm gonna ditch the straw and just down it. All right, I just drank this whole vial in one shot. I'm going to say it doesn't taste, I mean, you're not going to be buying it at any restaurant anytime soon. It's not a dessert. It's not delicious, but it's not bad. It's better than medicine. It's better than cough syrup. It's better than some of those energy drinks out there that I've tasted. It's not bad. It actually, borderline, is good. It has more of a grape kind of flavor, but the health properties, the health benefits is really why I'm trying it. They give you 10 vials in the pack. And after 10 vials, after you take all 10 of these vials, if you don't know that this is helping you or not, then you probably shouldn't do anymore. But I'm pretty sure by all the videos, all the research that I've done, that I'm going to go through the 10 vials. And if it helps me with clarity in my head and I can get off the energy drink, well, guess what? They just got a customer for life. And if it really does what it says it can do after 10 vials, you're going to know. And if you're like me and you want to get off the energy drinks, then this might be a good solution for you.